Hello friends, welcome to our channel In-house ERP. In this video, I will show you how to retrieve forget password by entering the registered email ID with the system. So let's come. First, we click on forget password button in sidebar and now select the type of user, departmental level user or faculty project level user. So in this case I will select faculty project level user and now enter the registered email ID with the system. Now click on submit. Within few seconds, now you see password sent successfully to registered email ID. In my case, that is InhouseERP@gmail.com. Now you see the system retrieve the password from database and send to registered email ID. This is password. This is link to login, and this is my YouTube channel link, from where you can watch more useful video regarding the iFMS functionality. So thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe this channel, and if you want to give any suggestion, so please comment below this video, and please like and support this channel so that we will get more useful content for you. Thank you.